Well, there's the problem. All right, so this belt comes over the AC and goes to the left of the left pulley and goes over the top of its pair. So I think we can do this without taking off the belt. It's only one bolt, so let's do that. So supposedly, to replace the idler pulley, it is one 13mm socket. But I hear it is a real bitch to get off. So we're going to try it with a regular ratchet, and I may have to switch to a breaker bar. We'll see. Let's find out. Yep, that got her. One bolt. Got this from 1A Auto off of their YouTube. They have a more instructive video than I have for this, but they go into taking off the whole belt and doing it the right way, the way a mechanic should do it, and nobody got time for that. So we are just going to see if we can get this on without having done anything to the belt. Same bolt gets reused. Now, there is a key notch on there. I'll show you on the old one here. This key notch sits on a notch on the engine so that it doesn't rotate the actual body of the idler. Make sure you get that in there properly. Let's see if we can get that belt back on there. All right, ready? Go. Just like that. I love it when it works. So, to explain what I just did, is I took a 14 and I actually put it on the idler pulley itself and just torqued it on over until it had enough slack to put the belt back on. So let's start it up and see if it got rid of that really annoying squeak noise. So, noticed the problem, went in, ordered from, this is not a sponsored video, I just happened to have good customer service with them. So 1A Auto got the part in one day, overnight shipping, and it took about 10 minutes to fix. So that's an easy repair for you guys. Now you know you can do it yourself.